Hello guys, and as you can see here, we have hood covers or the end covers that are different size, and then the bigger ones are for the dryers and the smaller ones are for the granulators. And then you can see this is the biggest one, and then that one is for the dryers. So in the market there's a lot of suppliers. They only supply the bottom half of these to save their cost. But for our rotary drum devices, we have the whole covered hood that is put in over the entrance and also the outlet of the granulators, and also coolers and dryers to prevent the dust flying out when the machine is operating. The rotary clean hood connected to the back filter and cyclones, so that to achieve a dustless workshop. Because when inside the fertilizer workshop, if you ever been there, when it operates, there's a lot of dust. Therefore, we implemented this design in our equipment so that when the machine operates, there will be less dust that will come out from the machine. And then you can see the hole that is connected to the back filter. And then in this way, you know, it can greatly improve the cleanness of your workshop. Thank you guys. So yeah, I will introduce about our other features in our next video. Thank you.